It's on now.
Hey, the oil from here comes through primary.
On what?
How do we get the oil in here?
Goes in the motor.
So we gotta put oil here.
Over there.
We didn't lose that much oil though.
We didn't change oil on your bike. We did on Lorenzo's. Your bike should still be full. You only lost.
What we lost from here?
You leave a cup. The dipstick still works. We gotta put it in neutral. Drop the bike down.
What about this screw?
Hold on.
Move the wheel back and forth
Just
slightly.
goes here.
Which way extension?
Just go back and forth with the wheel. Don't force it. Just go back and forth. Just wiggle. Neutral?
Yep.
Okay.
What's this rubber piece got to?
I don't know.
I wonder what this got to.
Your bike
What?
bag. Look at the rubber. That's the bag.
Goes back to the bottom.
Yep.
That's a fucking bag rubber.
Yeah.
Just set it on the top of my seat.
Yeah, if you run the bike, you can check the oil level, but it's probably not enough to worry about. Down. I'm sure it's pretty close.
This goes down some.
Good.
Yeah, turn it around. Trying to figure it out.
Just put under the wires.
Jeez, I don't even own a cell phone. Look at all the cell phones all around here. Get on the bench. Phones all night. What? Plastic?
Yeah.
It was underneath the strap.
Just pull it up. You know what? This ain't level no
It was
more.
under the strap right here.
This ain't level
This
no
stuff
more.
is probably all under pooch under here.
This ain't level no more.
So where's your plastic trim? These
Right
tight?
here. Yeah, those are tight.
Okay.
But this is, it's a gap here.
So this was.
And this needs to come down. Something's in the way.
All this hosing. This is not coming down. We're hitting a bolt.
Something's in the way.
There's a
Pick
bolt.
it up.
Some kind of bolt or something up in there. Okay, the rubber just came off of this. What holds this on there? The rubber just slides.
Yeah, need to put some glue or something on there.
Okay, well,
But it doesn't make sense. We'll get to it when it comes down. I'm gonna fuck with it when we lower it down. Gotta look up in there. Something's touching somewhere.
well, this here is.
Well, those wires always been there, but that's not stopping.
We're hitting on something pretty
You know
hard.
what? Let me see. Scoot this wire over. Move this one.
I think all these plugs are probably on that side at one time.
We still haven't came down. Nope.
The rubber's not in here all the
Let me
way.
see up here, up in there. Oh shit! Now my rubber came off.
But mine too. This is not going.
No, we're hitting something in there. We'll just loosen it up. I really don't see what we're hitting.
My finger's in the way. One problem. Okay, what's this big plug right here? This plug right here needs to be way over here.
Still not coming down. We'll just take it off when we bring it down. I'll readjust it right now. I'll pull the whole thing off from the top.
Okay, there's something definitely hanging up on it. All right. Watch your fletchies. The dash is fighting us. Get the board on too.
Floorboard, bro.
Huh?
Floorboard. Right
Yeah, we'll put it on in a sec.
Okay, that's low enough to do
Fire
that.
this thing up. I wanna hear it.
So let's do the dash.
here. Put this over there.
What's the hold up on the dash?
What's the dash? This? Oh, we need one Allen key for right here.
They're all laying over there. Behind the quarter drive stuff, aren't they?
Yeah.
Perfect size.
Front bolt.
Alright, so
So we got a single bolt right here in the front.
single bolt in the front.
The stereo over there, cell phones. Jeez.
Long.
Yeah, it's my time to wake up to get ready for work.
I put snooze.
It dropped here.
I see it. You got anything?
Magnet right behind you on the table, on the side of the press. A couple of different ones.
Yeah, I see it.
Right there in front of you.
It's perfect.
Bingo. No. There it is. You got it.
God damn it.
You know, this crap under here is stopping this thing from sitting down where it belongs.
Alright, so let's see what's going on, Tatro. Maybe there.
Assuming that should be right there. Can get the rubber fill off again here. Hold on, let me get the rubber back up.
Rubber's off on my side too.
It's off all the way around. Get some contact cement on there to hold it up on there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm holding this one a little bit on. Did it go back down where it should be?
Hold on.
The rubber
My
keeps,
rubber's far off.
yeah, the rubber keeps falling
Need
off
some
here.
fucking glue on that damn rubber. Alright, so rubber's in place.
We're a little bit lower than we're still high in the back.
It is.
Watch out, bro. Goddamn shit. Fucking son of a bitch. Now we're getting down.
So this stuff needs to be on the outside now?
Yeah.
Is that how it was?
I don't remember, but that's where we were down at, so fuck it.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get the rubber in here. Get the rubber all the way around.
There's a slide this rubber in. No, not like that, bro. It's a lip on it.
Yeah, mine's already on it.
Using my fingernail here to pull it around. Pick me up just barely 1/8 inch.
No, said pick up.
Still can't pull. The rubber's stuck. Gotta come up a little higher. There we go. Okay, let it down. Don't push too hard, you'll still put my
Let me see
rubber
that
in.
bolt.
It's a little front.
Put it on this. It's kind of tricky.
Still getting the rubber in here.
That's where that fucker's supposed to go.
Mm.
Let me see, bro.
Supposed to go up front.
What happened, Tatro?
I'm trying to get the rubber in, but you keep fighting.
I ain't
Give
fighting.
my little medium screwdriver, the small screwdriver.
We need some
flat
fucking,
blade. Bingo.
We need some fucking. Some.
We're just
Good.
gonna pull this in. Pick this up a little bit. Okay, there's the rubber right there. Okay, this side is in.
Mine is flat. This is flat. It's flat now, bro.
Okay, is the rubber in on his side?
Yeah, it's flat. Everything is flat. This needs to
Yeah,
hit
I
right here.
gotta find this damn hole right
Uh-oh.
here.
Small something you didn't need.
What was that to drop?
I don't know.
What's in right here, son, miss?
The bolt.
Something went down.
Straight down. All right.
It was over in here, so it's probably the bolt.
It's
that
the
was in
bolt. It went down here, or did it fall in the motor shit?
It just went down under here.
there. It's right here. It's right there. Magnet.
Get the magnet.
Right down there.
And these two go where, bro?
Bingo. You got it. You got it. You good.
What? Those are floorboards.
So you gotta have good ears. You have to be able to hear where stuff falls to.
This will go to the back right here.
Goes back
Yeah, but
here.
we gotta put that plastic piece in.
And that's ferried that way, so that should be how it goes. This was underneath all of this, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was it under the hoses probably too?
I think so.
Or not?
Can't think you gotta know, dickhead.
This hole is always a pain in the ass up front. Trying to find this fucking hole, dude.
I think these go underneath. Where's the strip at? What am I hitting on?
I'm supposed to cruise through that
There we go.
like that.
There's no room for these to be underneath. It has to be like that.
They have to come out. We'll leave them out. I'm gonna have to go up because
What's this one hitting on? We're good? We're good.
I can't see where this fucking.
What screw go back here?
So you trying to get the hole in there? The screw?
Yeah, this screw's always a pain in the ass.
Where's the screw for right here, bro?
Right here.
Nose picker.
Nose picker.
Yeah, pick your nose with it. You want to pick your nose with it? Pull the screw up. You find where the hole goes with this. Then you do put your screw in there. There you go. See how it pulls it in? I'm not exactly sure where it needs to be, but we're probably pretty close. And slide the whole dash back and forth a little bit. Do you feel it going there at all anywhere?
Yep.
Floor.
It's always a pain in the ass, this screw.
I'm on the hole. Should be right there. Let me see it. Get up from
Try it now.
Let me get up to the lower top where I can see.
I moved it.
Yeah, I'm too, that's the problem. Okay, get a hold on that. Okay, we're right on it right there. Give me the screw down there.
Where's the screw?
It's on the front down to go around. A good view of my ass. A good view of my ass over there.
I'm not gonna dig in there. I'm not going nowhere near that hole, brother.
So you need to put a taper on the screws.
That's the screw. That's how it was.
I know, but there's no starting edge on it. That's the problem. It's on the hole. It just doesn't. It just won't start. Looks like it's the wrong damn size. Can't have it off. It just won't start.
It's got to start. It came out of there.
It doesn't matter. It won't start.
Well, it hasn't started.
So we can go and put a little chamfer on this thread right here, and then it should start. We'll be back. It acts like the hole